Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump melontarkan peringatan keras terhadap Iran. Dalam konferensi pers di Gedung Putih, Senin, tanggal 6 April tahun 2026, Trump mengancam akan melumpuhkan infrastruktur vital Iran dalam waktu sangat singkat jika tuntutan Washington tidak dipenuhi. Ia menegaskan bahwa Iran harus menyepakati kesepakatan yang menjamin kebebasan lalu lintas minyak di kawasan Selat Hormuz. Jika tidak, menurutnya, konsekuensi yang dihadapi Teheran akan sangat berat. Trump bahkan menyebut penghancuran bisa terjadi hanya dalam hitungan jam. Ia menggambarkan skenario di mana fasilitas penting seperti jembatan dan pembangkit listrik dapat menjadi target apabila Iran menolak memenuhi tuntutan tersebut. Pernyataan itu langsung memicu reaksi keras dan meningkatkan kekhawatiran akan eskalasi konflik di kawasan timur.
Thursday night, an American F-15 fighter jet went down deep inside enemy territory in Iran while participating in Operation Epic Fury, where we're doing unbelievably well at a level that nobody's ever seen before. The entire country can be taken out in one night, and that night might be tomorrow night. Both members of the crew ejected from the aircraft and landed alive on Iranian soil. I immediately was asked to make a decision. I ordered the U.S. Armed Forces to do whatever was necessary to bring our brave warriors back home. A risky decision, because we could have ended up with 100 dead as opposed to 1 or 2. It's a hard decision to make. But in the United States military, we leave no American behind. We don't do it. Within hours, our armed forces deployed 21 military aircraft into hostile airspace, many flying at very low altitude, being shot by bullets. You bring rifles into play when you're going that low, but there are also certain advantages. And in broad daylight over Iran for 7 hours, at times facing very, very heavy enemy fire. We have a helicopter that's got a lot of bullets in it. It's amazing. We just realized how good those weapons are. Our machines are. Nobody has the equipment that we have, and nobody has the military that we have. Not even close. We're the most powerful military anywhere in the world by far.